Hello, my friends. Today, you may feel confused, disappointed, dejected, and heartbroken, not because you lost a loved one, but because someone else stole something you have worked hard for. This could be your money or your personal property. Whatever difficulty you face, I implore you to seek God's direction because we know that He reaches out to us with loving hands, open arms, welcoming us into His warm embrace. He will give us the strength to forgive those who hurt us. One of the hardest decisions we face in life is to forgive. The pain or hurt others cause us is real and immense, but we have to realize that the pain of living with bitterness and unforgiveness can destroy us. Forgiving them doesn't mean that we forget what they did to us, but it sets us free from bitterness and grudges. Forgiveness allows us to release them to God and accept the riches of His grace. My friends, have a blessed day.